are you feeling? Not good? Do you think you could go finish your show so Mommy can do her work? You must feel really bad. How's your tummy?
What?
How's your tummy? Throw up tummy? Okay, you should probably go rest then. Do you think? Do you think you should go rest? Why? Mommy has to do her work. Go lay down and watch your show.